guys, today I will tell you how to make easy cook halim, the packet ones. So first I have taken onions and I have golden fried them, and 2 tablespoon of oil. I have taken one medium size of onion. Then I have taken half kg shredded chicken. You can also take 1 kg, but my chicken was boneless, that's why I have taken half kg. And now I am going to mix the shredded chicken with the onions. Then I am going to add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste into it, and then I am going to stir it really well, mix it completely. Then I am going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water in the pot so that we can saute the ginger garlic paste. I have mixed it nicely. Now I'm just going to add the masala, which is available in the easy cook pack, and I'm going to leave 1 tablespoon of the masala and going to add all of it in that. And after adding the masala, now I'm adding 2-3 tablespoons of water into it, and I'm going to mix the masala, chicken, onions and ginger garlic paste together. And when they are mixed, now I am going to add the powder, which is available in packet. I am using the Shan Easy Cook Masala, Easy Cook Halim, but you can use any of them and use the same recipe. The recipe is also mentioned on the pack, but I am showing this because if there are some people who are beginners and they will like to see it practically rather than reading it from the packet. And now I have mixed the powder with the mixture completely. Now I'm going to add 3 to 4 glasses of water. Actually I have added 4 glasses, but it's all up to you. You can see your chicken and stuff, and then you can add according to that. But I have added 4 glass of water into it, and we are going to basically cook it really nicely so that the powdery taste of it goes away, it vanishes. We are going to continuously stir the pot which we have halim in, and we are going to stir it for at least 30 minutes. I am stirring it, as you can see on the time lapse. I have been stirring it for 30 minutes straight, and I have not stopped my hand. Now as you can see it's bubbling, then it means that it's ready. So now I'm going to make a tadka. While I'm not going to stop stirring it, because if I stop stirring it then it will burn from the bottom, and we don't want that. So I have taken a pan and I added 3 tablespoons of oil into that, and now I am going to add 1 medium size chopped onion into the pan and going to golden fry them. And while they are golden frying, I'm still going to stir my halim on the other hand. Now they are golden fried, I'm going to take some out for the garnishing. Now I'm going to add the 1 tablespoon masala which we have saved earlier in the starting of the video, and now I'm going to add this into it. And now I'm going to mix the onions in it and going to put the tadka into the pot and going to mix it, because the tadka will make it even more yummy, spicy and delicious. So I am just going to mix it and it's ready. Now I'm going to dish it out. This is the consistency which we want. So if you liked my recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and comment down below it was helpful for you or not.